Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Costa Rica together. This is Don Cayito from the Tarazzo region. The variety is Típica Mejorado and the fermentation is white honey. For more details on this coffee, please visit our web shop. To brew Don Cayito, we recommend this recipe. You need 370 grams of third wave water at 93 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 24 grams of beans and grind them on click 24 of your Comandante. This supports the sweetness of this coffee. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your equipment. Now, add the ground coffee and create a little indentation before extraction. We do 3 pours. Pour 1, 50 grams over 7 seconds, circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact. Pour 2, starting at 30 seconds, 150 grams over 20 seconds, soft circular pouring, extracting the sweetness and the fruity flavors of Don Cayito. Pour 3, starting after 1 minute and 15 seconds, the last 170 grams over 20 seconds, circular with a bit more agitation. Swirl the brew at 145 for 5 seconds, leading to a balanced cup profile with this coffee. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. A balanced and complex cup with flavors of toffee, peanut, lemon and plum. Enjoy this terroir best lot coffee.